and there's all this stuff. We should throw them out. Like, there's so much random stuff.
Welcome back to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We've been coming to you live from the 34th Annual Futures and Options Expo in Chicago. Joining me on set at Nasdaq booth 427, we have Schnidman. He's the CEO of Prattle, and we're going to be focused on automating investment research. Evan, it's great to see you, as always. And how is the industry changing regarding its approach to research?
Well, I think MiFID II has been a big catalyst for this. Obviously, everybody's trying to find ways to cut research costs, expand coverage, and improve quality all at the same time, and I think that's causing people to start searching for technology-driven approaches.
From the clients you speak with, what are they asking to be improved? What are some of the common challenges in terms of research?
Yeah, so I think the biggest challenge is everybody's trying to figure out, how do I cover different stocks, different vehicles, because right now it's just cost prohibitive to have an analyst who only covers 8 or 10 or 12 stocks, and so as those numbers keep sliding up, 15, 20 stocks, you can't dial into every earnings call, you can't read every research report, you can't read every transcript. It's just not possible to do it the way that they used to do it.
So what is Prattle doing to address these common pain points, and how do you see your clients integrating it into their platforms?
Yeah, so we've built out a unique lexicon for every publicly traded company in the United States. So we're actually analyzing the content of every publicly available primary source communication from every publicly traded company in the U.S. We process over just shy of 5 million documents a day.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so it's a few documents. A lot of them are duplicates because you get press releases, they get replicated, but we dedupe all those, and we're actually able to analyze the likely market impact of each and every one of those individual communications, and then provide a whole variety of metadata that fundamentally amounts to an automated research report. We're algorithmically identifying the most salient remarks in something like an earnings call, so you don't necessarily need to dial in or read the transcript just to know what's going on.
And so what's happening new at Prattle? Because I mean, to me that sounds a lot to wrap your head around, but there's always something new to work on because clients continue to change their demands.
Yeah, and I think the next big thing for us is we really want to give clients a little more malleability, the ability to really identify things they care about. And so right now we've built this all based on how the market responds to communications. But some of our clients have said to us, I have a different take than the rest of the market. I want to be able to have a customized version. And so we're working towards being able to give them exactly the capability to do that.
Yeah, it's really interesting when you talk about the reaction of the stock relative to earnings. We see that initial, or whatever announcement it is, you see that initial pop or drop. Humans can't compete as quick as the machines can, so now they're looking to trade the reaction. So I think it's really interesting that you're talking about customizable solutions.
Well, and that's the thing, is we're actually able to look at this. We know that these communications have long-term market effects, right? We're looking at primary source communications. We're not looking at secondary and tertiary source material. So we're looking at the things that have lasting effects. So they have the immediate effect, but we're also looking at days, weeks, even months and quarters out where there's statistically significant correlation between what we're finding and actually what the market's responding to. So it's not just these short-term rapid traders that are using our signals. It's actually the fundamental analysts, fundamentally driven strategies that are investing over the period of months and quarters that really actually are making the best use of what we've got.
Right. Well, great to catch up with you as always, Evan.
Thanks,
and thank you for joining me throughout the day from the 34th Annual FIA Expo. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter.